Well, thank you once again for joining us as we cook in the community kitchen. Know that we want to just share beautiful recipes with you, and we cook from the heart. And so today we're going to make a very simple Mandarin orange salad, because once again we have beautiful oranges and beautiful lettuce in our good food box, and so we want to use these ingredients to create a beautiful fresh salad. If you have watched before, you know that the bag, the good old white garbage bag that doesn't have Febreze in, is one of my signatures for making salad. So we're going to open our bag. We're going to put our greens in. I have slightly toasted some slivered almonds, just without any fat, just in the skillet itself, for about 2 or 3 minutes, and just until they're lightly browned. And even though they are a little bit on the hot side, I don't think it's going to matter. I'm going to add those into my greens as well. I have peeled about 4 or 5 Mandarin oranges. If we're going to make this for a family, probably that 5. They're beautiful, they're tasty, and they're going to add the beautiful color. Also some cranberries, probably that 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of dried cranberries. We're going to start then with our dressing. So I added 1/4 cup of orange juice concentrate. I added a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of honey, because I prefer that over sugar. Whip that all up. I also added the zest from one of the oranges that I peeled, because I think that too gives it a little bit of freshness. If you want, poppy seeds or black sesame seeds are also an option, just to give that little bit of a pop with the salad. And I think instead of putting them in my dressing, I might just add them just lightly to the top of my salad. Before I put it in a bowl, I just want to see that my greens are nicely covered. And I think it can have just a little bit more dressing. So we'll do that. And I think when I gave you the salad dressing, I forgot about 1/4 cup of olive oil in there as well. So the oil plus the apple cider vinegar and the orange will give a luxury, a beautiful texture then to the dressing. And voila, we have a beautiful Mandarin orange salad. Remember, for this and all of our other recipes, please click below on like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me.